Nono wakes up to balloons in the living room. The other cats cheer, "Happy birthday, Nono." The sun beams through the window, creating warmth. Nono stretches, sauntering over to his cake. The cat-sized cake is topped with tuna frosting. Queen the Persian insists on giving a speech. "Nono, you're the best nap partner ever," she declares. Mittens, the tabby, presents a gift-filled box. Inside, Nono finds catnip, toys, and treats. They knock over a vase in the excitement. A squirrel outside catches their attention. The party ends with Nono happily napping.